Always trust God. In your life, there'll be times where you be like, is God even listening to me? Is He even near me? Did He even hear? Or was He there when I was crying? Know one thing, that God is not silent because He wants you to go to this test or He wants you to be through a bad situation. No. No matter what you do, what actions, words you say to yourself or to others, no matter how much you harm yourself or others, God always loves you because that's what He is. He's a form of, He's a full, He is full of love. And there's nothing and there's nobody above God. Everybody is below Him. So, in case in your life, if you're going through a situation where you think the result matters in somebody else's hand, you're wrong. We all are a vessel through which we flow. It can be positive, it can be negative, it can be good words, it can be kind words, it can be rude words. We all are vessel. And as much as we don't want to fill others, we flow. And that is what God is. He gives us love. He gives us understanding. He gives us the ability to recognize the good and bad. So nobody ever holds more power of decision than God. God is the only one that makes decision. For instance, you can say, God tells me something to do. He's told me to do a particular thing and I don't do it. That is on me. Because I did not hear God's voice. And even if I did not follow what His voice said. So it's never God's fault. Never blame God. And always keep God the highest. There's nobody above Him. Never choose anybody above God. Always keep God on top because He is the top G.